大家好，欢迎你们来到 exam race. Hello everyone, welcome to exam race. Today we will study names of wild animals in Chinese. 现在开始吧 Let's start. 斑马，斑马，斑马。It means zebra. 斑马。长颈鹿，长颈鹿，长颈鹿。It means giraffe. 长颈鹿。大象，大象，大象。It means elephant. 大象。袋鼠，袋鼠，袋鼠。It means kangaroo. 袋鼠。鳄鱼，鳄鱼，鳄鱼。It means alligator. 鳄鱼。河马，河马，河马。It means hippo. 河马。黑豹，黑豹，黑豹。It means panther. 黑豹。猴子，猴子，猴子。It means monkey. 猴子。狐狸，狐狸，狐狸。It means fox. 狐狸。狼，狼，狼。It means wolf. 狼。老虎，老虎，老虎。It means tiger. 老虎。骆驼，骆驼，骆驼。It means camel. 骆驼。So we have learned a lot in this class. Now let's revise it. 斑马，斑马。长颈鹿，长颈鹿。大象，大象。袋鼠，袋鼠。鳄鱼，鳄鱼。河马，河马。黑豹，黑豹。猴子，猴子。狐狸，狐狸。狼，狼。老虎，老虎。骆驼，骆驼。好， Now let's do some exercise. Question 1. What is camel? Right. Lothua. Question 2. What is monkey? Right. Horse. Question 3. What is fox? Right. Hooli. Question 4. What is tiger? Right. Lahu. Question 5. What is hippo? Right. Hama. So we all have performed very well in this class. Now see you in the next class. 再见.